Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. Guys, it has been a minute since I've recorded, so it feels really weird right now to be recording, but we're gonna do a quick little cash stuffing of my wallet here and my sinking funds. And I'm gonna try my best to get y'all caught up on what has been going on with my life. There's so much to catch up on, but I have been pretty MIA this summer. If you follow my channel, you might have noticed, but 5, 10, 15, 20, we're going to go ahead and do this cash stuffing and I'll try to briefly catch you up on what's been happening. So we have $20 here going into coffee. Next is food. We're going to put 80 in here. So guys, the biggest news is that I am closing on a house and it's happening, my closing date is on Tuesday. And so that has been the big reason why I haven't been filming videos, because I have not had the extra cash flow to film anything. I literally pulled out every single thing that I had going in my envelopes, my Christmas binder, my emergency, like my year ahead binder, my month ahead binder that you guys have been seeing me do. I've literally pulled everything together to be able to have enough in the bank to buy a house. And I do have way more than enough, but for like closing costs and whatever, but I just wanted like an extra buffer for like moving expenses, for literally all those things that go into moving and getting a house, buying paint or hiring movers. And thankfully my attorney was, or my real estate, oh my gosh, what's it called? My realtor has been great. And she's helped me get, well, the sellers are paying like some of my closing costs, and 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, I need one more of these. Oops. There we go. Okay. So $100 going into groceries for this week. So anyways, that has been the big reason why I have not been filming, is just because I literally have not had any extra funds to put towards anything. I've just been putting it all towards that. I also was gone for the past 2 weeks in France. I was visiting my sister there. I took Aria with me. We went to Disney Paris and we hung out with my sister and her kids. So Aria got to spend time with her cousins. So that was fun, but obviously I was gone. My shop was closed. My shop is back open now. I'm going to try to get back into the routine of filming everything. I'm hoping, I didn't want to say anything too about the house until it was closer to being finalized, but we are in the final stretch here. I think I can safely say that I'll be closing on Tuesday, but you know how those things go. Like sometimes it's just something happens and it falls through, and I didn't want to tell you guys early on and have it fall through. But the appraisal is done. The final inspection is happening today or tomorrow, because we had to get some work done in order for me to be able to use my FHA loan. Like the siding had to be repaired or whatever. So they're finishing that, and then I will send the wire over and hopefully close, you know, smoothly with no issue. And then I'll be moving hopefully at the end of maybe at the end of July or August, I hope. I'm hoping to be able to move at the end of August. They have to come in and do some electrical work, and then I want to paint the living room, and then hopefully do like a big move with like a U-Haul at the end of August. So I'm so excited that that is all working out. But I really didn't have anything to cash stuff, you guys, because I've been pulling it all for all of that stuff. Like I don't know if you guys know this, and I was just naive, I guess. I didn't know or realize all the stuff that goes into like purchasing a house. But when you purchase a house, you have to put like money into it like immediately. So I was kind of struggling a little bit with that. But anyways, it's all gone well so far. So if you guys think about it, just think about me on my closing date. Pray that everything goes smoothly for me, if you will. And I'm hoping, again, like I said, to be back filming content for you guys, because I've missed y'all and I've missed the community. And I'm hoping that I can, as the school year starts and I get back into a more regular schedule with all of that, to, what's it called? Yeah, just be more consistent with filming and all that. So, all right, this is my sinking funds binder. I am going to put some money towards sinking funds. I really need, let's see, what do I have for car insurance? I have not cash stuffed even this. So 24681, 24682, 246. I have barely, oh my gosh, yeah, I really need to cash stuff this. So let's put some money towards this. Let's put 20, 30, 40, 50 towards my car insurance, because that is something that I definitely need to take care of. Everything has been on pause, like literally just complete pause for me, guys. I haven't been doing anything as far as cash stuffing goes. So it's tough getting back into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me swap these out for 2 5s. There we go. Okay. So I've cash stuffed a little bit for my car insurance. So now we have 24681, 24682, 24680, 80, 90, 300, 10, 320. All right, I'm not sure. I can't remember when this is due. I'll have to double check, but I need to work on this for sure. This is high priority. Clothing. You know what? I'm just going to take this 20 because I bought clothes before I went to France. I bought like a couple things. So I'm just going to put that towards my car insurance too. Let's see. I don't think I have anything else in any of these envelopes because, like I said, I literally pulled every single thing that I had to go towards the house. Let's see. What do I need coming up soon? My birthday was this month. I celebrated 3 times. One with my boyfriend, one with my stepmom, and once when I was in France on my actual birthday with my sister. So I felt very celebrated this year. Cannot complain. 35. Oh my goodness, you guys, that sounds crazy to me, but I'm hoping that it's a great year, and it looks like it will be so far, so I'm excited. All right, let's see. I should probably get my hair done soon. I haven't gotten the haircut in so long. Home decor. Let's stuff some in home decor because that's gonna be fun. Okay, let's do 15 in home decor because that's something that I probably will want to buy something for the house at some point soon. Medications. My medications are on pause. I've had issues with my health insurance. So, let's see. Nails. Road trip. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Birthday, no. Car insurance. Let's do some in entertainment. Let's do a couple for hair. Let's do like 10 for hair. We can get that started, maybe get a haircut soon. And I guess let's do 5 for medications. Let's do the rest for miscellaneous, 10 bucks for miscellaneous, and we will call it a day. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please leave a comment down below, say hi, and let me know how you guys have been doing. I know it's been a minute, so let's catch up in the comments if we can. I would love to hear from you and hear how you're doing and hear how your summer has been going. And I will hopefully see you again soon. I'm not sure what video I will be filming next. I still need to kind of figure out like what my setup is going to be and what I need to prioritize. So it might be a little bit like all over the place for a couple weeks while I figure that all out. But thank you all so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.